Gertrude, could you tell me what today's verdict means to you?
Well, they got justice, and more so the truth was told. Because in the Keane Horton Tribunal 1981, that sat for 122 days and concluded with probable arson, that meant my son had the potential to be an arsonist. And that was left to his mammy to write, giving him back his good name, his character and his identity with a pen portrait, because up to that he was a number 38. Well, his mammy did it, and that's me.
You've worked really hard for this day. It must be overwhelming that it's finally come.
I've on a mission from the night I ran out looking for him. And I've never, ever doubted it wouldn't come.
How old was Michael?
17 and a half. He had an apprenticeship at plumbing, and he was working there on the night. The only person that was working there that died.
And obviously you fought so hard for this, and now you've got justice for his name.
And dreadful to think that we had to go out of the jurisdiction twice. We had to go to Lynn Boyle brought us in March 2019 to the European Court in Strasbourg. And then we had to go out of the jurisdiction to get 5 young lads identified, exhumed and identified. That's a horrendous slight on the Irish state.
Having been through all of that.
Apology. There's no words to look for a public apology. That after those children perished, we families have been systematically abused on an ongoing daily basis until today.
Is today the beginning of a new era then in this campaign that you've had? Today's the day that you've gotten justice after being through all of that?
Yeah. A day for Michael and those who perished with him. My life won't change.
How old are you now, Gertrude?
80.
80.
My last birthday.
And you've spent so many decades
absolutely
fighting for this.
And I never doubted that the day would come.
Were there ever moments where you were close to giving up hope that today would come?
From the journal. Never. Absolutely never.
Well done, Gertrude.